presenting a pre-owned 2014 Chevrolet Express LS 1500. This three-door van has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 86,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 13 miles per gallon in the city and 17 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include power windows, window defogger, front air conditioning, power steering, airbags, anti-lock brakes, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.